Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to grab a free Alo Yoga promo code to save on your next set of yoga gear. Head to easecoupon.co/alo or scan the QR code on the screen to get started. Once there, just enter your email address so the promo code can be sent to your inbox. I'll add mine here to show you how quick this is. Next, select whether you're using an Apple or Android device and hit Continue. The site will instantly generate your Alo Yoga promo code. For verification, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are trusted apps, totally free and widely used. Once downloaded, open each app and use it for about a minute. Some might prompt you to reach level 9 in a game or fill out a brief survey. Don't worry, it's just to verify your identity and get the code sent. Let's speed this up with some background music while I complete the process. And that's it. Let's check my inbox, and there's my Alo Yoga promo code. If this helped, subscribe for more tips and enjoy your Alo Yoga savings.